Hey guys, it's officially our last day of summer. School starts tomorrow, and we're going to the beach! That's right guys, we're headed to the beach right now, and we're taking you with us to celebrate our last day of summer vacation before we get into school and all of the other routines starting tomorrow. But first, don't forget, subscribe to our channel, hit those post notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up. Alright guys, let's go to the beach. Let's go.
Let's go get away.
When our daughter was born, she surprised us with her Down syndrome diagnosis.
And at that time, we had no idea what our lives would look like.
But we quickly discovered extra needs bring extra joy.
Through the good times and the challenges,
And the adventure and the routine,
we're learning to live this life to the fullest. With a little extra.
Oh, Coney's asleep.
Is he?
You ready for the beach? Beach, beach, beach. Let's get you out.
I'm
Can we
coming
get you
still.
out? We'll go to the beach. You ready? Okay, but don't run out until someone's with you, okay? Poor Chloe. What did you forget?
I got all the stuff.
You got all your stuff?
Is there anything else?
I don't think so. Let me just close up the back and...
This?
It's kind of heavy, but you can bring it if you want to. We just have to close up the back and then we'll get Cohen. Thank you, bud.
Down along the sides, there's pockets that you fill up with sand.
Oh,
They work just like a stake in case the wind comes up.
that's cool.
Look at Cohen woke up.
Cohen! Are you at the beach? He's so happy.
You woke up at the beach?
Yeah.
You gonna play?
Oh, can I go in the water?
You can play with Estelle.
Go ahead, Cal. Don't go far out. There's a lot of waves are picking up right now, so be careful.
Okay guys, made it to the beach. We found the spot. The kids are already in the water. We got our little setup going.
It's freaking nice down here.
Nice day.
There's
it's
no
very
wind.
crowded. Labor Day, very crowded.
Yeah, it's
As
crowded.
expected, but it's nice. We still have plenty of space right here.
Yep. We were worried about a parking spot, but we got one.
It's all good.
Kind of.
Thank you, Steph. Ready for some fun? All right, guys. Have some fun.
Let's do it.
Oh, you want to go swimming with Daddy? Okay.
Okay.
Go swimming with Daddy.
Here we go. Look, here it comes. Here comes the water. She's going back.
We created a system.
It seems a little dangerous. Seems a little dangerous.
Okay, so Devin took the big kids out in the water for some surfing, and I'm here with the babies for some snack time. Cohen likes his snack. Do you like your snack?
Yeah.
What are you having for a snack?
No,
That's a good little sandwich for you. Cohen's eating his snack. Good snack. You like your snack? Yeah. Try it. You need to try it. Take a bite.
No.
It's good, Lovey. It is good. You don't like it? Do you want some crackers instead? Want some crackers?
Piece out.
Oh, you want to just take that piece off? Okay, we can do that. Okay, you can do it. You do what you want to do with it, okay? Let's see, you figure out what's good. Do you want to fold it like this?
No.
And try it like that?
No. This one.
That looks good. Try that one.
No.
That's not good either. Look, Cohen likes his snack.
This one.
You want crackers instead?
Yeah.
Okay. Peanut butter crackers. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Oh, you made a sandwich?
Yeah.
Are you going to eat that whole thing?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh my goodness. One fell down. You don't see it?
Look at that! Jump in there! There you go!
Yeah, go.
Get in there, go!
What'd you find? Let me see it. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at them. Oh, there's so many. There's one on your foot.
Ready?
Okay, here comes some more water.
Here comes the water! There you go!
Woo!
Whoa!
That's nice, Cohen.
He's all about it.
There you go, bud. It's massive.
Oh, this one.
Nasty. Ooh, look at that one. You're gonna get it, Co? Cohen's just getting it. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got the bug? A bug. Let me see, Co. It's just picking it up. Oh, wow. You got it. It's okay, buddy. She got it. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Did she grab
She
it?
got it.
Alright, so we're just hanging out building some sandcastles here, and we noticed that it looks like there's a fog layer coming in. All this like mist is rising up off of the shore right here because it's so warm and there's no wind, and it looks like there's fog. So I'm gonna go jump in the water with the GoPro and get some footage just in case it gets way foggy and we get too like fogged in for some cool footage. So. Okay, we got a couple waves out there, huh, Clifford? We're back in now. We're gonna eat ourselves a little bit of lunch. Pretty fun day so far. The kids got their fill of Daddy in the water, huh? No? Never. What do you think, Ella?
Never enough.
Never enough. Never enough. Hey, you got the shovel? Yeah, where's your hat? You got your hat on? Yeah, your hat. Hat. Where's you? Oh, you're you. Yeah.
Is that your seat?
Yeah. It's packing down the sand. Yeah. That's gonna fall on top of Cohen, and then you're both gonna be really bad.
You got your toes in the sand?
Look, she's burying him.
Hey, don't bury Cohen.
No, don't bury Cohen.
Don't eat that now. Oh.
Oh man. That's the best watermelon.
Dipsy. Don't eat it. Don't eat it, Daddy.
Oh, here.
Estelle's so ready to go home, but no one else is. So let's see what happens. Who's gonna win? I'm gonna vote Estelle's gonna win.
No.
You're gonna win? You're gonna go home? What do you want to get at home? A bagel? You want to go home and get a bagel?
Yeah.
Okay, go tell Daddy. Let's go. You're gonna vlog? Okay, you vlog.
There you go. Okay. Here. And one. Water.
Clifford! Tell him, let's go! Tell him again. Say, let's go! They're coming? Good job. Thanks for calling them.
So this is the fog bank that we could see that was rolling in. Finally got here, and it's pretty dense. It's getting dark actually, but the sun's still up in the sky. There's the kids. It's crazy, super foggy. It's because it's so warm and there's no wind, so the fog just decided to gather.
Did you have fun? Did you have fun at the beach?
Yeah.
You ready to go?
Bingo.
You want to go home and get a bagel?
Yeah.
Yeah. And watch a show? Okay. What do you say? Bye, beach. Good fun? No? Good fun? All right. Last beach day of summer vacation.
I'm just starting to get a tan. What are you talking about last beach day of summer vacation?
Okay.
This was my first beach day of summer vacation, as a matter of fact.
Last beach day of school calendar year summer vacation.
Yes.
Because A, summer's not over yet, you guys. Officially, fall doesn't start till September 21st, I think.
I think so.
Yeah. But unofficially, here's a little insider information for you guys from two Californians.
Yep.
The best beach days don't start until now.
Yeah.
Right?
September,
October. Like, fall beach days are the best beach days.
Yep.
Everyone in the world comes to the beach for summer vacation. So then when everyone in the world goes back to school, we get the beaches back, like, all to ourselves. So you don't have to worry about parking. You can just, like, roll up and, like, have the beach to yourself.
And I really feel like the conditions are nicer
Totally.
in the fall than they are in the summer.
Especially, like, early fall days compared to, like, early summer days.
Oh,
Night and day.
Yeah.
Like, so there'll be more beach days to come. This was just one of the things we wanted to do before getting back into the routine of school tomorrow, guys.
Yep.
So, did you guys have fun?
Yes! I had so much fun at the beach, and I cannot wait to go back. If you want to come back to the beach with us, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on the next one. Bye!